Welcome back to Saravji's Hut. This is week 8 of evaluating Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineer certification. This week with some progress, and sometimes life throws you monkey wrenches. Welcome to my hut. I'm going by the name Saravji. This week, week 8 of evaluating Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineer certification, I'm talking about the progress that I made and why sometimes you don't get as much done as you would like because life throws you monkey wrenches. Let's dive in. This week I made a little bit of progress, by far not as much as I would have liked. Sometimes it just doesn't go as you have planned, and this was one of my weeks. So progress is steady, slow, and I'm going to be attempting to catch up this week. As for the monkey wrenches that I had to deal this week, I'm not going to be going into detail too much, but basically what happened is I realized that some entity did infringe on my rights to my materials and was using or is using my materials for my financial gain without permission. So this cost me some time, and I'm still working through this, trying to come to a, for both sides, satisfactory solution. But anyhow, that is what life threw as a monkey wrench this week, and that impeded my progress. Other than that, the materials are pretty much the same as what I have seen the past weeks. There is nothing extraordinary or out of the ordinary to report. A pattern starts to emerge that the labs, and with that the educational materials, the basis for this certification, pretty much looks like the typical educational materials. So we're talking about very well understood data sets, very clear paths of getting from a start to the desired solution with just going step by step, which is not very realistic for the real world. Let's see. I'm a good third done with the materials. So let's see what else comes up and further down the materials, if this pattern holds, or if we're going to be seeing some additional more challenging and more realistic real-world examples in the work. That's all what I had for today. Thanks for visiting me at Saravji's Hut. I am going by the name Saravji, and hope to see you next week with my next update on going through the Google Cloud Machine Learning Engineer certification. Take care. I appreciate you dropping by. Please subscribe. I'm done here. Fire to that.